Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And this week I'm going to be talking about the Panasonic Toughpad FZ-G2 keyboard. You know how I love keyboards, and there's some good keys on this keyboard that I want to talk about. And in fact, if you watch to the end of this video, I have a whole table of all the special function keys that you probably don't know about on this unit. But today I'm going to talk about one specific key combination, and that is your function key and the F8 key pressed at the same time. And the F8 key, you'll note, has little sunglasses at the bottom, and what that is that will put your FZ-G2 into concealed mode. You might ask yourself, what is concealed mode? I was a little confused myself. Well, basically, you can program that combination keystroke to do whatever you want. Basically, concealed mode might turn the backlight off on your monitor. You could have it turn audio, just cut the audio off completely, or you could have it shut off the Wi-Fi and broadband so that wouldn't be accessible when in concealed mode. So if you want to be stealthy whenever you're using your laptop, or otherwise don't want people to hear what's going on, you can program this key. And where you program it is in the BIOS. So you'd simply go to the BIOS by hitting the F. You're going to hit, as you turn on the unit, you would hit the F2 key multiple times until the BIOS shows up. Go to main menu, concealed mode configuration, and you'd be able to tell it what you want it to do. Like I promised, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a table of all the special function keys, like the function F5 or even the function F3. And a really cool one is the one I like, of course, is the function F8, but we also have the function F7, which puts the laptop into sleep mode. So there's a lot of capability with this keyboard. That's all I really got for you this week. I hope you guys liked the video. Here's the table that I promised you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.